Now, moving forward, we need to strongly build on the progress we have made and move faster to an even more modern, functional, and efficient service that is highly responsive to the needs and aspirations of our people. Kenyans want to be policed by men and women who are fair, men and women who help rather than hinder business activity, those who make a stand against corruption and abuse of office. Corruption is a concern not only to the NPS, but also to the entire country, and there is need to sustain and accelerate the war on corruption. Police agencies and personnel must be demonstrably corruption-free and be visible anti-corruption advocates and ambassadors.
And I'm sure you know the Transparency International Corruption Index, where last year Kenya was scored 32 points out of 100. 2021 it was number 30 out of 100. The more marks you are, the more corruptive you are. The more down you are, the more corrupt you are. So 30 is terrible. There are other 70 points that they treat us as corrupt people. So this has made us to be number 123 out of 180 countries. And they say we are the 57th most corrupt country globally. Are we really serious? Should we continue sitting there and being rated to be number 57 in the world? Let us do our part. As police service, do your part. As immigration, let them do their part. As office of the president, let them do their part.